Apply really enough. Make sure you don't forget on the edges. And here for 30 seconds. Do design a scary one. Amelia. We have a lot of scary ones, Amelia. Yes, e-file. We're talking about that topic. So now we just finished and it stayed nice and smooth, but then I will check it later with the precision glue when both of the nails will be done. And like a couple minutes when I finish with the second nails. So make sure that one is clear for 30 seconds. And we're gonna using this. Like a either whatever you can call pre-made marble foil. I can feel it sticks right on already. So you see how this premium's iHo transfer foil, you press it on, it's already like stick it on. The foil is already completely transferred. Only if I don't give it a good rub on, or if I forget to include the gels on that edges, then it won't stick. But if you do, you can see that it's already trying to get it and like come off for me even before I do anything else. Look, right there. So now, not even like a veins or anything, you can absolutely do this veins. I just want to show you something that if your clients want something a really cool, fun, but then without like breaking their bank. They said, you know, hey Nancy, can I get some nails with some fun Halloweens? Well, if you want to see more scary designs and cool stuff and gorgeous bling bling, you can absolutely watch our other tutorials with Halloween stuff. There's a lot in there, so make sure to check it out. Also, it's available on Facebook videos and YouTube as well. And we are going to doing a no white top coat. So the purpose of no white top coat on the top of condensed glue gels is when it finished, you don't have to worry about to coat it again. And also you don't have to worry about that the crystal is not going to stay, because condensed glue gels and a top coat, it will compatible together to grab the base of charm chain flat back 3D crystals in one place. One was on TikToks. It's gonna be on Saturday at 12 p.m. CST, I believe. Right, Dom? So I'm gonna open this one. So this is green and this one is bright orange. So I'm gonna open this one. It's so cute. And also I have really cute pumpkin spicy is one of my favorites. I don't know, I'm like summertime, I'm even wearing it too. Just so much fun to play with it. It's gonna be at noon CST. Hi Vanessa, how are you? Hey, thank you, Nali. I hope you all like it and enjoying it. It's very cool. You can cut this in smaller pieces. Yep, 12 p.m. CST. Dom, are you excited? E-file, we can collecting I'm using this to cut it in half. Don't use your cuticle nipper because it's gonna actually ruining it. So just use that crystal clipper. This will go a long way. Let me see. I think I might have some furs right there. So talking about e-file, because that's will be, I think it's going to be a great topic, because I was really struggling with finding, you know, using a right, you know, cowbell beads, and that's what decides the most of successful for the techniques for e-file. And it's not only, I think it's not only is selecting and help you guide you to pick the right one, also that will be the most determinants of your techniques and the skills and the finishing looks of the nails as well, from prepping to like finishing. So e-file, and then following week we're gonna have a different contents for that. Oh, it's so fun. Hey, I'm gonna move it here because I think I have it right on the side. You probably don't see it. It's really fun. You can turn it like up or you can turn it down. It doesn't matter. You decide what way you would like. And on the class, November 8th as well, we are gonna working really closer to beside liquid and powders, acrylic applications, also shaping, structure of the nail shaping, and also crystal placements. We want to be working really close with that, so you can ensure that by the time you're leaving us after the class, you will know exactly what you are doing, how you can able to get yourself into the next level, and also with how you can able to promoting your business. For instance, this is one of our students from so many other students who were taking our class before, and they are from like even a small city, or even like you're so good and you're still reaching like, okay, so here's something. If you are phone book, absolutely congratulations, you did amazing. But then have you ever feeling after certain years, 2, 3, 4, 5 years, you feeling you're doing the same freaking things, and you couldn't even go anywhere to raise the price because of you are afraid of you losing your clients. Your clients are feeling really comfortable in the zones, and they know for sure you're not going to raise the price on them. And when a lot of things, it costs you more to running your business now, and how you can able to feel brave enough to raise the price for the clients without like hurt their feeling, with their understand. If the good clients understand, absolutely great. But if the clients were like, no, I'm not gonna pay extra $5 or $10 or $15 for the service, it's ridiculous, I'm gonna find someone else, right? Because of that, then you're afraid of to raise your price, and then you're doing the work with the clients for it's like 5-10 years, and then same price when you charge when you start. So if you are having like this, and it's not like you don't doing good job, it's just like how you can able to really upsell service and to really take your business to the next level, feel really confident without feeling that you overcharge anything. So that will be in the class. We're talking about that as well. working doing some content like that, talking to help a lot of like nail tech talks about that, you know, subjects as well. And I think it's gonna be a great cool contents as well. So for the students, when you be in a class, you will able to, we are included bonus, you can able to learn from how you can marketing in your business on your social medias for free. You don't have to pay anything else at all. That you can able to introduce your business to a lot of people. So I think I'm good with this because it looks like a really dramatic pumpkin. Yes, Tina, absolutely. Is you are right. You are absolutely correct. Yep, here for 60 seconds.